Welcome to Beyond the Board, brought to you by eLearning Jamaica.
Welcome back, everyone. Today we have with me Sanjay. Sanjay, welcome.
Wagwan Garfield.
So Sanjay is here to assist me today with angles.
Angle that now?
All right. Let's do it. All right. So let's start off with two of my favorite angles. We have our right angle triangle. So in class, we tend to always try to draw the right angle triangle, and sometimes we get it wrong because we draw it and the back kind of lean.
Yeah.
It kind of go forward. But we could do a first sketch. We could see what it look like. Now, before you even go to the shape, just draw your right angle triangle. We'll see what your right angle look like.
Cycle.
You see how far back of your right angle look like it missing some degrees?
I done something right there, so.
No, so we could check. We're going to check it to see if it right. So we'll just go ahead and we'll pull up the ruler here and pull up the protractor. And we're going to see if your right angle is truly
A right angle.
a right angle. So them say right angle measures
90 degrees.
how much?
90.
Well, write down how much it's supposed to measure for me. But if you press here and draw it over to where your one finish, what degree it's right there, sir?
72, off by a lot, man.
So, tell me something. How we think we can fix that?
Well, draw it over.
Draw it over,
Yeah, try draw it over and see.
but your degree still look wrong again.
So try it again.
Your degree is at 74
Alright,
now.
at least me go up a little bit more.
All right, go a little bit more. So let me show you a different way. So before that, let's just get some space on the board. We're gonna zoom out a little bit so we have the space to do some work.
Alright.
All right. Go to the move. Then 2 fingers on the board. Tap. Close the fingers together. See it zoom carries over, and you leave it there. All right. So now we're going to set your protractor to your measurement that you want. Carry it up to the 90 right here. Right? And then when you say okay, it automatically draws your 90 degrees.
Awesome.
So there you go. So you don't have to guess, you don't have to spell, you don't have to do, you just go ahead and angle it.
Angle that.
All right. We know that we're supposed to put in a little box right there representing the 90-degree angle, right? This is 90 degree. All right, so the next angle I think we want to look at is something.
Acute angle.
Acute angle? I don't really like that angle either.
Obtuse angle.
What about we do the equilateral triangle?
Well, let's try that. Let's
Because isn't that what in school is always easy? Because we do say all sides are
Equal.
If you want all sides to be equal, resize the board so we can get some space. You can go ahead and do that.
Let me this now.
All right, go ahead.
Resize the board. So move. I'm gonna put this over here. Throw this because we're done with that, and we're moving to a different angle, which is the
Equilateral triangle.
All right. Go ahead. Do your thing.
All right. So now, with the equilateral triangle, we know that all sides are equal. So how much we get for each angle?
60, 60, 60.
60, 60, 60. So we're
Alright.
gonna go ahead and we're gonna bring this down to 60. I look like 61. All right, that is 60. We okay it. Then we're gonna take the board and we're gonna rotate it,
All right.
right? Because we want to get the other 60, right? Come up. Yeah, there we go. All right. Carry this out. Should be 60. We hit OK, and then we'd have had created this equilateral triangle.
Right.
All right. So erase all the excess. There we go. So in it now, everything measures.
90.
No man, not 90. The sides, the angles in it measure 90, but the total is
180.
180. So we'll come out here, we can put 180
Oh.
degrees. But then each of the angles here would measure
60.
60. There we go.
60 there.
60.
60.
And then down here.
60.
All right. And then we have this little thing they put there to show that they're equal. There you go. And that you have your equilateral triangle.
Awesome, awesome. But I like this way.
Yes.
Because you get, 72, 74, way off.
Right.
Nothing close to right angle. So this way to get my right angle, my equilateral. I love it.
Awesome. Today we were able to go through the two different type of angles today, and then we were able to utilize our trusty protractor right here to get different angles and shapes that would allow us to now do a full mathematical equation if necessary.
Awesome.
What was your experience today with the board?
Well, using the board to create the angles, it was awesome because as you realize, like I drew a 72 degree or a 74
instead of a 90.
Instead of a 90. So it was awesome. I was able to correct myself just using the protractor.
Yes, I just imagine you're in a classroom. You don't have to work with all of these different rulers, right? I remember
the geometry
set. The board already has it in place.
Yeah.
And then imagine the power of this board allowing our students to come up, interact with it at the same time, do their drawings, do their math equation, do their measurements, and get it correct.
And see where they made the error and then they're able to correct themselves on the go.
So it allows teachers to really spend time with their students, allows students to actually feel engaged by the teacher.
So the power of the interactive board.
Exactly. So with that said, I would invite you guys to join us on our next video. See you there.
Go ahead, like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.